This icon represents joinery and is common to doors, windows, wardrobes, and joinery designed by the user. After selecting this icon, click on the Doors tab. This function allows you to place doors or doorways onto any type of partition. It can be straight or curved partitions. The dialog box that appears upon selecting the Doors tab under the Joinery function shows composition, slab size, opening angle, and location with respect to the partition. Under the Door menu, there are 4 options. One is the number of slabs. Here you can select among single door, double door, and doorway. Then you have the placement on the wall thickness. Here you can indicate how the door frame will be placed with respect to the wall width. In the third section, we have the placement along the partition. Here we have 4 options regarding where the door will be placed. The free option allows you to place the door on any part of the partition, being the hinge the insertion point of the door. If you want to change the opening direction before placing it, click on an empty space. The second option is the fixed distance. When you select this option, a box appears to the right of the door where you can type a distance in meters. Then we have centered inside. With this option, the door will be drawn center with respect to the partition line that you marked to indicate the opening direction of the door. And finally, we have centered outside. With this option, the door will be drawn center with respect to the other line that makes up the partition, which is different from the one you marked to indicate the opening direction of the door. The last section is to define the door measurements and opening angles. The first option is the width and angle of the main slab. 2 boxes appear to the right. The first is for the slab measurements, and the second is for the opening angle of the slab. The second option is the width and angle of the second slab. This is activated when a double door is selected. Then we have frame thickness. This option refers to the frame dimension perpendicular to the wall. In this box, you will be able to define the frame thickness in meters. The default dimension is 0.00, which makes the program automatically draw frames at 15 centimeters, or any wall thicker than 15 centimeters. When the wall is narrower than 50 centimeters, the program adapts the frame to the wall thickness. The last option is the frame width. This option refers to the frame dimension in linear direction to the wall. By default, the program draws frames of 3 centimeters, thus making the door span 6 centimeters in addition to the slab measurement.